in the system, where now I will scale the system, but scaling is not available here because I think individual scaling must be done. Let us go to that. Okay, in supported bodies format could not be okay. So this is our swing arm. Now we will scale it. Okay, scale is about centroid, and we will scale it 10 times. Okay, so this is our new scaled swing arm. I will save it as swing arm uh, uh, in stay format as well. Okay, so I think there are only one body, but I don't know why this exception is to swing arm. Yes, now so there are uh, differences in the dimension. So let us again do scaling to this part. Let us not go to feature recognition. We'll directly scale it up about centroid, uniform scaling 10 times, and this is it. Now we'll also save it as state file, chassis. Okay, chassis. And okay, all bodies. Okay, I need to save changes to the chassis also. Now, this suspension part. It is, of course, a rough model. The standards are not followed here. It is also scaled. Okay, now let me also save this as step file. Of course, ANSYS supports this SLDPRT file format, but for security, I will save it as step file also. No, okay. I think okay. Now, now the errors are have also gone. Now I will save it entire assembly of structural systems. Now then, I will save it as a parasolid file. Uh, just in case if we intend to do dynamic analysis, we'll have to do it in Adams. This is our vehicle um, vehicle structure. Okay, now